The Nova Mobility Bag is the perfect accessory for your mobility product to help you carry your personal belongings. What I love about this bag is that it fits on pretty much every mobility product. So you see how easily it fits here on a standard folding walker. It also fits on the front of a rolling walker or even the back of a transport chair. So it's super versatile. You can just easily take it from product to product. It attaches with these Velcro straps and they're really sturdy, so you can really put it on any product super easily. And then you'll see we've got a lot of different pocket options. So we've got two front pockets for your glasses or your cell phone, a larger pocket in the back for magazines, and of course your main roomy compartment. This is the Aloha print, which is so fun and stylish. And we also have basic black. So a feature that I love on this bag is that we've added this key ring. So you can put a key on here, but also it makes it so easy to open and close the main compartment with just your finger. So you'll see I open the main compartment here and you can see how roomy it is on the inside. All right, there you go. Go ahead and get one of your mobility bags and add it to your mobility product.